Well, hopefully this is a review. How many degrees are there in a triangle? 180 degrees total for the three angles. So one thing to notice, this means you can't have more than one 90-degree angle or bigger. So, all right, so going on, a right triangle. So does that mean you can have a right triangle with an angle bigger than 90? No. The total for the other two has to be 90. If all three angles are different, all three sides are different, if I don't have a right angle, all I can call it is scaling, which means three different angles. Okay. It also means three different lengths sides. This is also called an acute triangle, which means that all the angles are less than 90 degrees. All right, what about this next one? Aha, this one is scaling also. This is obtuse because one of the angles is greater than 90 degrees. Can you have two obtuse angles? No, you can't, because then it would add up to more than 180 degrees. This one is just scaling. So notice that if three different angles, then we have three different sides. Notice that this looks obtuse, but we can't say it. Unless we know something about that angle. All right, three equal sides, it's called equilateral. Again, lateral means side, so equal sides. Notice this means the angles are all a third of 180 degrees. Okay. And also notice that an equilateral triangle is a special case of the next one. What is the next one called? If you have two equal sides, it's called isosceles. Iso meaning same, and scalar is size. So two sides the same, we use isosceles to describe that. So notice this means it will have two equal angles also. The angles that are equal are across from the angles from the sides that are equal. All right, so also notice equilateral triangles are a special case of isosceles. All right. One useful little formula that we're going to be using at least once in the next few days is that the exterior angle is the sum of the remote interior angles. I'm going to say this in words, as well as a symbol here. Exterior means on the outside. And we say remote because it's not the third one, not the one that's adjacent to the exterior angle, but the other two. So for an example, if the remote interior angles add up to are 48 degrees and 53 degrees, we can show why this process works. 48 plus 53 is 101 degrees. And so the third angle inside it makes it add up to 180. So, and that's 79 degrees. So then, let me color that blue, 79 degrees. Then this angle on the outside, angle A, the remote exterior angle, plus the 79 is 180. So the exterior is 180 minus 79. We're back to 101 degrees, which is the sum of the two interior angles.